Hello children, today I am here to discuss 1.5 word problems in unit 1. Yeah, first one. The number of people visited during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290 and 14,181 and 14,235 and 10,578. Find the total number of people visited in 4 days. And this you know very well. Total here means in the first 4 days the number is given. So how to do? Total number of people visited in 4 days means simply addition. What are the steps? Number of people visited on first day. How many first day? 15,290. Second day. Second day how many? 14,181. Third day. 14,235. And fourth day. 10,578. Do addition. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 2 here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2, 1 here. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total people visited how many? Total number of people visited in 4 days nothing but 54,284. This is how you should do first question. Coming to second word problem. In Lok Sabha election, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes. Elected candidate means who won the election, right? And defeated candidate got 3,52,768. Question is, by how many votes did the winner win the election? Means elected candidate got that many, 5 lakhs something, and defeated candidate got 3 lakhs something. So by how many more votes this elected candidate won? So what you will do, children? You will do subtraction. Now how to write steps? Number of votes got by elected candidate. How many he got? 5,87,500. And the defeated candidate. Defeated candidate got 3,52,768. Do subtraction. Here 0. 0 minus 8 means take borrow. 10, it will become 9. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. And coming to 5. 5 minus 7 we can't do. Take borrow. It will become, already it is 4. Right? And it will become 14. And here will be 6. 14 minus 7 is how much? 7. And 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is 2. So therefore the winner means elected candidate. The winner won the election by how many votes? 2,34,732 votes. Is it clear, children? Third word problem. Write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number formed by the digits 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. They are given 5 digits for you. Using these 5 digits, we should write the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Then we should find the difference. You know what is meant by difference, children? Difference is nothing but subtraction. So using these digits, first highlight the greatest 5-digit number, right? Using these digits, okay? 5-digit number. Greatest, how to write? First you should write the bigger number. Which is bigger here? 7. After 7, next bigger one is 5. Next is 4. Next 3. Next 0. This is the greatest 5-digit number. And what is the smallest 5-digit number here? Using this. Using the digits. 0. 0 is the smallest, but 0 if you write first, it will become a 4-digit number. So you should not write 0 in the first. So what is the next smaller number? 3. 3 after 0 you should write. Next 4. Next 5. 7. Now we should find the difference. Difference is nothing but subtraction. So 7, 5, 4, 3, 0 minus 3, 0, 4, 5, 7. And you know subtraction. Here 10 and it will become 2. 10 minus 7 is how much in that? 3. And 2 minus 5 you can't do, so take borrow. Here it will become 3. 12 it will become 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. And here from 3 we can't remove 4, so take borrow. Here it will become 4 and it will become 13. 13 minus 4 is how much in that? 9. Next 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So 44,973 is the answer. What are we? Coming to next word problem. Fourth one. A bicycle industry makes 3,125 bicycles each day. Here each day means one day. How many bicycle industry is making 3,125 cycles in one day? Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. So in July how many cycles are manufactured? First we need to write how many days are there in the month of July. Okay. So number of days. Number of days in the month of July. How many children? 31 days, right? Now, next, number of cycles, number of bicycles made in one day. How many? Number of bicycles made in one day? 3,125. Now, you need to find number of bicycles made in 31 days. When the value of 1 is given, how to find many? You should multiply. Okay. So you should do 3,125 into 31. 3,125 into 31 multiplication. So when you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Next, 3 5s are 15. 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then you should add 5, 7, 8, 6, 9. Okay. So total how many cycles manufactured in the month of July? This is the answer. 96,875 cycles manufactured in the month of July. Next, fifth question. A helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? And express your answer in meters. Okay. Now they are given in kilometers. We should write that answer in meters. Okay. Now distance covered. Distance covered by helicopter in 1 hour. How much? 600 kilometers. Now, distance covered by helicopter in 4 hours. Here the value of 1 is given. We should find for 4 hours by multiplication, right? That is 600 plus 600 plus 600 plus 600. That is repeated addition. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So 600 kilometers into 4. When you do multiplication, 6 4s are 24 and this 2 0. So you will get 2400 kilometers. But they are asking you to write your answer in meters. So we should convert that kilometer into meters. Okay. You are converting kilometers into meters, means kilometers into meters. That is, from big to small you are converting, right? Then you should do multiplication. And in between, how many are there? There's no more. In another class I have discussed kilometers, king, Henry, drank, double chocolate milk. Double chocolate milk. Right? Here you should convert from here to here. Means from here to here into 10. Here to here into 10. And from here to here into 10. 10 into 10 into 10 is how much? 1000. So children, and you people know 1 kilometer, how many meters? Yes, you know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Now, here 2400 kilometers means 2400 into 1000 meters. What is the answer? 24, ones are 24. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So this is the answer, children. 24 lakhs. 24 lakhs meter is the